Hi guys, and I just got a new slime, so check it out. This is the slime that I got. It's yeah. I'll take it out. Oh, it's very glossy. Let's check it. It's transparent. And I'm doing this with my sleeping cat. You want to see my sleeping cat? Alright, this is my sleeping cat. You can see it is so sleepy, you guys. And this slime, let me adjust it right here. Can you see me? Hang on, let me roll it into a ball. I can see it. It's a ball. It's a perfect circular ball. And you can put it in here. Genius. And you can wow, glossy. Hang on. Let me just. Yeah. So let me. Hello. The roll, it's all black. So when I roll it into a ball and put it in my hand, it's on the blob is on. We call it blobs. The blob texture is on my hand, and it's just clean. See? And of course, my cat is still sleeping. So sleepy. Yeah, let me pet it. Yeah. So, let's guess the studio. Hang on, let me just. Let me just put this in here. And you also know that I have a ball. And if I put this here, I think I did it. There. Rib. Ha. Man. There's a snake. No, I won't do that. Let me put the slime. Okay, this is the slime you can see, and it melts. Watch, it melts. It's melting. You see it melt? can see the slime. It's green. Now let me put it closer to the camera. Yeah, you can see it's green and it melts. And let me put it back in here. There. Now that's it for the show. Let me know, you guys. Bye! And don't forget, I'm gonna take a picture with this. Bye!